So the first thing you do is you turn it off.
You have to hold the button to make sure it's completely off until your screen turns black.
So then you take this dust brush and you just kind of wipe the computer off so that it's not super like dirty when you clean it.
So what you do is you spray the computer and the keyboard with a light mist, very light so it doesn't like damage anything, and then you take the cloth and just wipe over it until it's clean or dry. And you want to make sure that it's you don't spray too much or else it might get damaged.
You want to spray the spray onto the cloth instead of the keys because the cleaning stuff can go inside the keys and damage them.
Be very light when you're going over the keys because if you press down too hard, it can damage the keys and the computer.
The next step is to turn it back on your computer to make sure there's no scuff marks, crumbs, or any cleaning stuff on your computer.